Ladies and gentlemen, here representing the San Jose, California chapter of the International Brotherhood of Magicians, Ring 216, please welcome Tom Collette. Thank you. Good evening. I am a magician and a man of science. Now I know that sounds strange, because we often think of magic and science as being in opposition. One seeks truth, the other revels in mystery. Science uncovers truth within a mystery, while magic creates a mystery by covering the truth. But magic and science do have something fundamentally in common. They both try to overcome impossible things. It is impossible to tell exactly just what is or isn't impossible unless we understand everything that is in fact possible. Do you think early cavemen just learning how to master fire saw Bic lighters coming? I don't think so. Arthur C. Clarke said the only way of discovering the true limits of possible is to venture out just a little way past them, out to impossible. So I invite you, ladies and gentlemen, to join me out on the edge of possible. It's where magic and science meet. The realm of wonder and enlightenment. The light bulb. To a person in the 19th century, it wasn't science, it was magic. Actually, many great inventions seem like magic at first. Can you remember the first time you touched an iPhone? Or navigated somewhere using GPS? Or yes, even microwaved a Hot Pocket? The first light bulb must have seemed like catching lightning in a bottle. But all it was a single strand of thin wire suspended in a glass bubble. The real secret was electricity. You plug it in and magically it lights up. Speaking of light, for a long time there was a scientific debate about the nature of light. Some said that it's particles, like these grains of salt. Others argued that light is waves, like ripples spreading across the pond. It turns out it's both. Now, isn't science wild? You see, light flows as a stream of particles called photons. These photons start at the light source, but quickly they diverge, expanding out into space in every direction like waves in the ocean. And we know light is the fastest thing in the universe at 186,000 miles per second. And it is highly unlikely humans will ever be able to go that fast. So given the vast distances between all the stars and galaxies, does that mean interstellar space travel is impossible? Maybe not, if wormholes exist. A wormhole is a theoretical tunnel traversing space-time. It's kind of a shortcut across the universe. If you were to observe travelers, at the moment they enter a wormhole, it would be very strange. They would appear to disappear. In theory, they could emerge in a whole different universe. Or at a different moment in time, or billions of light years from where they started, or even just a few feet away. I wonder. Thank you. So, was that science or magic? It's often been said that there is a fine line between genius and madness. In fact, sometimes scientists are so far ahead with their thinking that they're considered crazy. Nikola Tesla, the guy who was responsible for AC electricity, he imagined that we could communicate with each other without any wires. Now, at the time, that sure seemed impossible, but we know that his idea inspired the wireless technology we take for granted today. Things like radio and television broadcasting, cell phones, and even Bluetooth. Tesla also thought that it was possible to transmit electricity itself without any wires. Think about that. Wireless electricity. Let's test that theory. The music you are listening to is inspired by Tesla because it is being played on 2 Tesla coils. Safety first. Don't try this at home. Whoa. Looks like we're going to need that wire after all. Science discovers how our perceptions define reality. Magic demonstrates how reality defies our perceptions. So who really knows where science ends and magic begins?